So I'm asking my traders, is the system worth a lot of money? Rob says no. Jennifer says it's a deal. Kenneth says capital letters no. Bill, no. Jennifer is laughing, oh my god. It pays for itself. Jay and Gary, of course, no. Kenneth, once you learn, you make money forever. Jennifer, the best money ever spent. It's like spending $10 for Rolls-Royce. Boom! Thank you, my incredible traders. As Kenneth says, you fish for life. Wish I found you years ago, but it's God's time. Khalid worth every penny. Bill, only way to go to trade in the markets. I give you Ferrari for a couple of $1,000. Or you buying Rolls-Royce for 10. Is that a lot of money? And that's what traders do all over the world. This is a jackpot course. I let students who are serious about trading answer your questions. It's only a couple of hours in the trading room. What did it cost to you to have 17 trades in 17 days? 17 wins. Is it worth a couple of $1,000? What is it worth to you? To make S&P 575 points this morning in horrific markets. How many hours do you work, Alphys? On average per week. Can you please pause? What is it worth for you to make 30 ticks on gold, 12 points on S&P in top step account? What does it cost to change your life? What? That's the power of the system, traded all over the world. Black and white. I simply ask you to make an effort. I simply ask you to be serious about trading. Because if these students can do it, so can you. That's it. Earn a living with a few clicks forever. That's the key. Fibs is 1000%. And I'm a doubter. That's the key, as Kenneth says. I'm not the middle class, but working class. Saved up for 1 year to trade. And now making money at home instead of working. So how many hours per week do you guys trade? Pretty please do tell me. How many hours per week do you trade? Jennifer shares she trades only 5-8 hours per week. Brett shares 20. Anyone else would like to share how many hours per week you trade? Ken, 5-6 hours. Boom. Would you like to trade full-time work that you do not like for passionate quality trading? Working a lot less than full-time? A manual 10 to 15 hours. All depends on market conditions. That's it. It's black and white. And that's what intelligent traders do, as Khalid shares, worth every penny and much more. Marco spending 20 hours. Again, Khalid and Marco have their accounts funded. They're trading someone else's accounts. If these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort, as you witnessing this spectacular long, being stuck as expected, at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. There's still absolutely no reversal yet. While we're waiting, we simply ask traders a lot of questions. That's it. So if you're ready to become a quality trader, I look forward to working with you. Listen to podcasts from traders all over the world. Read and view reviews, view thousands of videos on our YouTube channel, and take advantage of the biggest discount in 10 years. It had never been offered before and will never be offered again. 4 various packages available to you. The most popular package is Group Mentoring, 3 months with lifetime license software for NinjaTrader 8. But if you would like to trade on any other platform and you do not want the software, but you would like to trade the system, that's the least expensive option that's available to you. You can trade without software on any platform you choose. 3 months group course with the system. But if you decide to choose private mentoring, 6 months includes all group classes with or without software. You decide what you want to trade. Please review. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298. And if you're on Sierra Chat, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, MT4, MT5, Interactive Brokers, system is traded on all those platforms for the last 10 years. Any questions? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298. Thank you, traders, so much for incredible morning, again and again and again, with incredible community of incredible traders who's simply making an effort. As critical support remains respected, my goodness, we've been watching this ultimate junk that intelligent trader knows not to touch. And that's what separates brilliant quality traders from trigger-happy cowboys. If you're interested in being quality traders, simply join us.